This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Velina Crook bedroom BRE number 01013957, LIC number 02027862. This home is a rare find. Located in a great neighborhood, that is close to town and sits on an usable 1.5 acres. Outside there is plenty of room to park an RV and all of your large toys. Inside the home has a great open floor plan, with large rooms and large closets. There is also a great bonus room that could be used as a home office or rec room. Enjoy the peace and quiet of the Mother Lode on the new deck. For more information, review the details below or contact Velina Crook bedroom BRE number 01013957, LIC number 02027862 at 209-532-6993.